scallops with creamy lemon sauce and pasta. Add salt and some oil to your boiling water, give it a little mix, add your pasta. Cook it for about 15 minutes. Salt and black pepper on the scallops, both sides. High heat, put olive oil on the pan. Place your sea creatures and reduce the heat for medium. Leave it for 3 minutes. Switch to high heat. Flip your sea creatures. Add half stick of salted butter. Add ginger. Remove the jumbos and set it aside. Add garlic, capers and red pepper flakes to your taste. Mix it. Switch to medium heat and deglaze your pan with 1 cup of white wine. Let the alcohol evaporate. Add half fresh lemon juice. We'll need about a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. Mix it. Add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add cilantro to your taste. Add half stick of creamy cheese. Mix until dissolves. Add your sea creatures, add your pasta and mix. You're done, capiche?
Soup.
On behalf of the flight